And our final entry on that standby is 348, Katie Bates.
That's my speech.
Carmen's bitch, remember that?
Hey, I helped that little man. Okay.
You did not, you did nothing.
I tried that.
I mean, she wasn't gonna go in the bathroom and be like, let me help you, buddy.
I'm
Like,
gonna handle your wiener while you try to pee. Sorry.
Ew, I tried to ignore it. And you're like,
What?
I couldn't. I can't. You can't do that.
no, please not. Why were we supposed to?
No, I just was, because if you had, then maybe we could skip the blue-red warm-up.
Oh, no, we haven't done anything.
I zoomed in on
Hey,
your
Lauren,
face.
what'd you do?
And go like this.
I don't know why. I don't know why that happened. It just happened. I'm losing my mind. I'm overtired.
Are you recording?
Sit back. She might.
Especially after
I don't. She hasn't done this in a long time.
Dun, dun, dun.
Sit back.
I gotta woo.